What's going on, guys? Today I have a different video for you guys. So normally in the past, what I do is I go ahead and I do a lot of scripting for my videos just to make sure that I'm very concise and hit a lot of the main points that you guys are curious about. But today, I don't have a script for this video, so I think it's more me just going through my thoughts on a topic, and I plan to do this a little bit more going forward. So let me know down below in the comments if you guys, you guys enjoyed this video. So today I want to talk about paid Amazon seller training. Just recently, in the past couple weeks, I've been receiving a lot of emails from companies that own these training courses, and they're looking for shout outs on my channel. And I guess it's kind of expected when you begin gaining a little over 1,000, 2,000 subscribers. People start to reach out and they're looking to build off of your audience that you have. So just to let you guys know, I've rejected all of those proposals. I will never on this channel advertise or promote something that I don't directly have influence or I've used in the past before and I see value in it. So that's good for you guys. Just want to let you know that coming across my channel, I won't be advertising or promoting any products that I've not used, and everything's gonna be fully transparent of what I think is valuable becoming an Amazon seller. So I want to go through a couple articles here. I know I said this isn't scripted, but I did prepare a little bit for you guys. One is on entrepreneur.com, and so it was pretty funny when I was reading through this the other day. This is from last week, and they say Amazon has over 2.5 million active sellers, 86% of whom are profitable. Now, to me, that statistic seems pretty high, but the next part is pretty comical. They said even new sellers report earnings between $26,000 and $810,000 in profits in their first year. Now, I don't know where they got their statistics from or what study they conducted or how large their sample size was, but for me, I've never received $26,000 in profit per year. Revenue is a different story, but actual profit, what you're taking home, your net income, no, this range is just so widespread. I don't want you guys to get too excited that you could potentially earn this. It's definitely possible, but not in your first year for the majority of people. And so the reason why I want to show you guys this article is, one, I found that pretty interesting, and two, Entrepreneur.com is advertising their complete 2020 Fulfillment by Amazon Mastery Bundle training course. And so this is another one that I got reached out to promote, and they're saying that it's available for only $29, $29.99. So let's take a look at it here. This is their mastery course. Their bundle course comes with 4 courses provided, 229 lessons, and almost 2,000 people are actively enrolled in this. And this is actually a more competitive priced one, and I don't know what kind of gimmick they're pulling here, but look at this. They say that this course is previously sold for $796. However, it's 96% off for $29.99 due to everyone being stuck inside for COVID-19. But a lot of these training courses, they really build up this stigma that, hey, you take this course, you're going to be immediately successful, you're going to make over $1,000 in profit a day. And there are a lot of promises that they put out there that they can't really back up. And that's really the biggest thing when you're looking at these courses you need to be cognizant and aware of, is that people are going to promote a story bigger than itself. And you just have to be aware that a lot of people are out there just to honestly get your money. I'm sure there is some valuable content in here, but that really leads me to all the free resources that you guys have. I know I mentioned this previously in my mistakes video that I made, but you guys are already a step ahead by going onto YouTube, researching topics, researching how to be profitable on Amazon, researching how to actually sell on Amazon. And these are things that I didn't even start out by doing. So I know I said this before, but I applaud you guys for taking that step and that leap and doing your research before really diving into selling on Amazon. Another thing I know I mentioned previously is another free resource that you have is once you start your Amazon professional seller account, you'll get access to the Amazon Seller University, which I'm showing you guys here. And this has really everything you guys need to know how to do to get started on selling on Amazon. It may not give you all the keys and the key tips that you need to be profitable in your first year, your first couple months, but it's definitely going to get you started and get you on the right path. So really, any questions that you guys have about selling on Amazon, there's going to be a video tutorial on here of how to perform that operation or to create that listing or whatever it may be for you guys. And so here, just look at how many free resources are available to you. And these green checks means that I've watched these videos. So a lot of my content that I teach you guys, I've actually learned by going on Seller University. And then later in my selling career, I would say I went to YouTube and looked at some other Amazon selling individuals and their key tips on how to be profitable when selling. Continue using Amazon Seller University, as well as continue research on YouTube and hearing from experts, what they have to say, as well as beginners. I want to let you guys know that I'm not an expert in selling on Amazon. Like I said previously, in the past, I made hundreds of dollars in 1 week, and I've actually owed Amazon money in the past just from different selling techniques that I applied. So take advice from these YouTube quote unquote experts. If it comes to a point where you've done all this and you're still struggling, then maybe it's time to look at some of those key trainings. This entrepreneurship one, it is not a lot out of pocket, so I would actually suggest you take a look at this. But there are some other ones which I'll show you here that are really highly recommended. I'm sure there's great value packed in there, but you're really going to be out of pocket a lot of money. So this first one's $997. The second one, Amazon course, is $549. So you're spending hundreds of dollars just to learn this knowledge. Look at this one. This one's $5,000 almost. It's just an insane amount of money for the actual resources that you need. They're all free and they're all online that you guys can take a look at. Again, my recommendation is to only spend that amount of money for these training courses if you've tried their free resources and they're still not clicking and you're determined to become a successful Amazon seller. I've never actually paid for any Amazon seller training courses. I've always used YouTube and I've always researched topics that I'm interested in and taken advice from experts on how to sell on Amazon. So I hope this video helped you out a little bit, just get a little bit of insight as to what I think about these training courses. I'm not going to promote any content on this channel, any training courses that I haven't personally taken and I've seen value in, so you can rest assured in that. You are your own predictor of success here, so don't get fooled into thinking that you need this training course and it's your only path to success in selling on Amazon. Use the free resources that are available to you. Check out YouTube, check out Amazon Seller University, and then go ahead and at that point make that decision. All right, am I really in this for the long term? And if I am, do I still need more material to feel good about selling on Amazon? If you do, go ahead and find one of the cheaper training courses that still provide value. If not, continue trekking along, continue persevering. It is a long road, but at the end of that road, it really is a fun side hustle for you guys to take advantage of and to be profitable and have some side income. All right, thank you guys. And if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe down below if you're interested in any topics around gaining financial freedom and retiring early through side hustles, such as selling in Amazon here. Anyone can sell on Amazon. It just takes a little bit of legwork to get it started, find the right product that you want to sell on Amazon, and then capitalize on that. All right, I'll catch you all next time.